Hey guys, what's up? It's Rico. Today I got a package from Naiza Maroon Butterfinger. It's been opened up. I don't know why. It came in the mail today, so let's unbox it. Empty. Look at that. Yeah. Stop, damn it. Empty. Empty. Look at that. How much think I got? I don't care. As long as I got the thing I want. Butterfinger, this is sick. Butterworm and 3. I love Butterfinger. That's sick. I mean, really. Then I got the trucks. Damn, what? Wait, what? Give me like extra washers. Yeah. Yeah, if you give me extra washers. Damn. Got like 4 of them. Yeah. These white trucks. So yeah, that's all guys. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, whatever that makes this video positive. So yeah, go to this website. Can you see it? It's www.butterfinger.weebly.com. Yeah, go to that website, purchase this awesome stuff. So yeah, peace guys.